Time machine. Historical figures. Browse the list of famous people on the timeline. Connections. Find contemporaries for a famous person you select. Quiz. Test your knowledge of famous people.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Time Machine app. Browse the list of historical figures who are sorted into various categories. Drag the header horizontally to adjust the scale of the timeline. Click here to switch to timeline view. In this view mode, only the names of famous people are displayed. Select a person you would like to know more about. Click on this icon to show more information about the selected person. Click here to open the Wikipedia article about the selected person. Click on this icon in order to place the selected person in the center and switch to connection view mode. Click on this icon if you wish to filter famous people. Click here to hide or show the list of filter criteria. Modify the priority of criteria by dragging the gray circle. Drag and drop a famous person to insert into mozaBook. Click here if you wish to search for a famous person. Click here to create your own groups of historical figures. Filter the list of famous people by various criteria. Click here to import this filtered list of people into your group. Click here if you wish to search for famous people in the built-in groups. Search for people who are connected to the actual day. You can rename groups you have created. Click here to display only the selected groups. Click here to go to the quiz. Select the type of quiz by clicking. There are several types to choose from. Set the priority of the different criteria. Click here in order to start the quiz. Drag and drop pictures into their correct places. If you wish to receive further information about our apps, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.